Wonderful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage home with over 3,000 square feet and an extra lot just inside the loop. Super convenient location and so many possibilities. Several nice features throughout 2 living areas, vaulted ceilings, huge laundry room, nice built-ins, fireplace, and spacious rooms. Generous sized kitchen and breakfast room in addition to the formal dining room offers ample space to entertain. The 4th bedroom with full ensuite bath would be a great setup for a mother-in-law suite as it is adjacent to the den. Nice covered back porch, fully fenced backyard, and workshop too. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.